Asha, again, tell us what is phonetics.
Phonetics, the study of speech organs and speech sounds. Phonology is the study of sound patterns of particular language.
Good, very good. So whenever we are studying phonetics, we are studying the overall, in general. It's not specific to a language. Overall sound patterns, overall sounds, speech sounds of the language, of languages, different languages. So human speech sounds, study of or scientific study of human speech sounds. On the other hand, phonology studies the sound system of a particular language. For example, if we study the sound systems of Bangla language, then we are studying Bangla phonology. But that is also overall, in general, that is part of phonetics, maybe, that phonetics studies Bangla, phonetics study English, phonetics study French, all the sounds, how the sounds are produced, speech organs will be there also. And phonology will be studying only the Bangla vowels, Bangla consonants, how many sounds are vowels in Bangla, how many sounds are consonants in English, overall the set of Bangla sounds. ঠিক আছে? This is the whole world, and phonology is a specific country. Do you understand the example? So phonetics is the study of whole world of sound, and phonology of this is the study of specific country wise, maybe. ধরে রাখো আর কি যে কান্ট্রি ওয়ার মতো এক একটা পৃথিবীতে একটা দেশ যেরকম ফোনোলজির পার্টটা এরকম আর কি. There are two specific terms for this. One is called phone. Another is called phoneme. Phone is the smallest sound unit. Phone. And phoneme is the smallest. This is also a sound unit. But what is the difference?
Phone is related to phonetics, phoneme is related to phonetics.
Excellent. True. And anything else? কিভাবে ব্যাখ্যা করা যায় এটা? So whenever we are talking to phonetics, remember that we are talking to, more importantly, related to the production of sounds.